Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can spot a master copy of Nike Air Max shoes, so stay tuned until the end of this video. You can notice that this is a really good copy of Nike Air Max because you don't have glue here, the parts of the glue and the logo and everything. It looks pretty much as on original Nike Air Max, and also you have this part here which is again not a total fake because it's working, and also the label here, it is like original Nike shoes because it says made in Vietnam, which also states on the original Nike Air Max. However, there are parts that if you pay more attention you can see that this is clearly a copy of Nike Air Max, and I will show you this kind of parts. So to begin with, you can see that the lower part of the shoes is totally just painted, so it's not a different type of material like on original Nike Air Max, and you can see here that they painted this wrong, and you can see here. So you can see clearly that this lower part, complete lower part, is a painted part. So on the original this should be a bit harder material than this one here, but on this copy you can see it is completely the same. And another part is, if you pay closer attention to details, you can see here that they left a bit of material here, and on the original Nike you cannot notice these kind of flows on the shoes. Another thing is, again, pay closer attention to the glue and you will see these kind of parts which again on the original you cannot see. And if we take these other shoes, you can see even more here, the left of the material. Molim? Snimam video. Ajde, obuči patike da te vidim.
Samo za izvedi.
Ne moraš.
Babo će bude makni to.
Ajde, ovako. I drugu. Dobro. Da vidimo kako ti stoje.
Babo, pada ti ovo.
Da. Da vidimo. Ajde, okreni se.
Ako?
Aha. Bravo. Na green. Dobro, a koji je to broj?
A ovo staje 0.
0, 0.
0.
Bravo. Jesu ti lepe patike?
A ovo?
Ne vidim, nagazila si ga. Koji je to broj?
Ovo.
Hajde na engleski reci, koji je to broj?
7.
Nije, 3.
3.
Hajde broj na engleski, 1.
1.
Sljedeći,
2.
dalje,
3.
ovamo, 3, ovaj ovdje,
3.
ovaj je 3,
A?
ovaj ovdje je 3,
A ovo?
5,
5. A ovaj?
8,
8. A ovaj?
7,
7. A ovaj?
6,
6. A ovaj?
9.
9. A ovo smo prvi put. A ovaj 9. Babo,
Molim.
kad si ti prešao od 9 i ovaj 9, pa si prešao.
Pa ja sam zamenio zbog snimka.
A ovo šta je?
0,
0, a ovaj?
3.
3.
Ajde na engleski nam izbroj.
A ovo?
Ajde na engleski nam izbroj od
A ovo?
1.
1.
Mini. Hajde na engleski nam izbroj od 1 do 10. Ono, 1, 2, hajde.
A ovo šta je?
Hajde izbroj nam. Hajde, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Dalje, do 10. Dobro. Ajde reci bye bye svima.
Bye bye svima i vidimo se kad bude.
Ako Bog da.